Welcome to this brief tutorial where we will discover how to enable the PICOT search tool for your EBSCOhost and EBSCO Discovery Service profiles. To enable the new PICOT search tool for your EBSCO Discovery Service or EBSCOhost profiles, visit EBSCO Experience Manager and then the EBSCO configuration. In the configuration application, navigate to Researcher and Search. Use the drop-down to select the profile you wish to apply the PICOT search tool to. It is available for both EBSCO Discovery Service and EBSCOhost profiles. By default, the PICOT search is disabled. To enable, click Custom and Show. Click Publish to apply the change, and click on Preview to view and access the PICOT tool. It will be available in both the basic search and the advanced search screens. Thank you for watching this tutorial.